Kani kajing ya Lynti kelas dang hausnam hajar khatsan. Haba ki kinthe ki bawan banjit nyot hapadeng kajing ishir khe kajing long kate kajaka na kajing dap ki Jaboh kalapun long ya katana ki kampen roy sor banthau da ka self help group. Ke ka balas dang kum kasin jam ka barit menta kala kalalong kum ka wei na kajaka Pynkhuid Jaboh ka babiang tam ha ka ba ki don kum ba lai phongut ki dekhot.
Aman ki event ngi don ban te kajing muto ngi sibon man la yo biang kan ka dor sini ai ni kajing ada kani ke municipal kala ai free check up yani ai RC system
Menta ka Maidens kalala ban Pynkhuid ki Jaboh ki bami na ki program ki ba penlong da ka sarkar bat ki riushimet hakeleng ki benta ka Shillong. Ya ki Jaboh ki blalum lawan ra sha Marten ha ka balajit ki da ka ba pendan kam ya ki rukom Pynkhuid ka bajule ka kenhun ka penmi ya ki kendos bo bat ya ki tiar ki bala ban pendan kambiang bat ha ka ju ka por ban kintir ya ka kam ka jam ka bayadai ka mariang. Da ka jingay beteng ban ajingi kay haringkat ka jing kersan ki kor babiang kani ka kenhun ka lala ban penkalay ka kam ka baju ya pet po sya ka kam ka may jak po ka badan buram. Ka jing timit jong ki ha kani ka kam kala penyo jingero na baro ki bakhot iki ban Pynkhuid ha kinu ki program bat kani ka benslur ki nong shnong ban shim kya banjit bhai ki Jaboh halaki yung kisam.
And we've been engaging the self-help group named Maidens SSG in events for waste management, and we do on-spot waste management and waste audit. With their help by engaging them in these events, we could deliver a good results to the organizing team as they have hired us for this waste management. And they were the Maidens SSG as a group.
Na kani kajing tre shitom ka jongki kalawan ra ru ya kajing yo jingero na ka sarkar jalla ha ka ba usembut menteri rangba ka jalla uba deiru menteri katanat penroisor uba snyau bhalang dhar ula kubur ya ka benta ka ba kongsan jong kani ka SHG ban Pynkhuid pensuba ya ka Shillong.
You see, this is actually I'm very thankful for them to all the localities especially because we have done awareness program from the department and they are very cooperative, and we are very thankful for all those locals who are really be a part of the city to maintain its clean. And that is we have put so many center like a recovering center with a small unit of the new machinery. So mostly now especially we request them also to segregate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, and they have done it.
Haba phai pat chakis nem ki banwan ka sarkar ka thmu banbu ya ka jaka penlang nyut kat kum ka jing start science hanong hali ha ka bala dab banyakran bat ki nong shnong ka te ka jaka bat ya ka jinga kut dor kadang ya chakmat kum ya ka ni ka jo ka jaka la terwaru banbu ha ki wede ki district kat ba ka Shillong kadang jam shakalawe ka Pynkhuid bat ka bajirngam ka Maidens jong ka Shillong ka yeng kum ka nuksa ka baklan banwanra e ki jingkala ha ki shnong ki thau ka ba penpau ba da ka jing pen ko bor bat ka jing kersan kisna trekam ki Jaboh ki la banlong penban ka telong aikam ka buram bat ka rukom imhi. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.